Assalamu alaikum dear audience. I am Iram Iftikhar and today we are going to learn a new sound. And our sound is E. Repeat it with me. E. It is E. Now learn the formation of E sound. Pretend to crack an egg against the side of a pan with one hand. Use both hands to open the shells, saying E, E, E. Now do the formation with me. Start from the dot. Okay, we will take a pen. Start from the dot, halfway around and stop. Start from the dot, halfway up, halfway around and stop. You can practice it in salt tray. Now it's a story time. Listen the story carefully and wave your hands whenever you listen a sound. Are you ready? It is almost the end of the summer and Eric and his family have gone to stay on 10-acre farm for 7 days holiday. Every day they get up early to watch the cows being milked. First, they help get the buckets of water from the well and pour them into the troughs for the cows. Then they feed the hens and collect the eggs. They take the eggs into the kitchen for breakfast. Ellie, the farmer's wife, cracks open the shells on the sides of the pan. They all eat fried eggs for breakfast. Hope you have enjoyed the story. Let's have some vocabulary words. Egg, egg. Elephant, elephant. Engine, engine. Elbow, elbow. Elevator, elevator. Now do some blending. Now assume that S is sitting on your shoulder, E is sitting on your elbow, T is sitting on your hand. Now blend it. S, E, T, set, S, E, T, set. Let's do more practice. S, E, T, set, S, E, T, set. Next our word T, E, 10, T, E, 10. Pen, pen. Net, net. Write them in your notebooks. Let's make some family words now. We have two family words, it and at. It, at. So let's make some words. If we write down at the start, it, knit, it, knit. It, sit, it, sit. It, pit, it, pit. At, net, at, net. at set, s at set. P at pet, p at pet. Now you can make many words. Now it's poem time. Let's have poem now. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Eggs in the pan, eh, eh, eh. Crack the egg like this, eh. Hopefully you will enjoy your lesson and do your best. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.